Back in the day, marriage was very simple, where we didn't know so many people. We did not have access to the lives of others, be they filtered or unfiltered. We didn't know so many people. So we did not have so much to compare with. When it was told, look, there is option A, option B, option C, we would be so happy. MashaAllah, I've got 3 options and here we are. You meet person 1, person 2. You decide, okay, I met person 3 as well, but I'd still like to get married to person 2. And then comes person 2 and they say, well, you know what, I'm not really too keen on marrying this person, so now it doesn't work because you want to marry person 2 doesn't want to marry you. Now what happens? You got to just say Alhamdulillah, and you got to settle for person 3, right? And person 3 looks at you and you are the answer to their dua. MashaAllah, you ended up getting married, quite simple, and you live a beautiful life. You appreciate what you have because you know how difficult it was to get to that, right? Guess what has happened?